What's happening, Master Blend Nation? It's your man, Mr. 365. We've been on this road trip. We headed out to see my man Arron in Robbinsville. He has this awesome place called Wehrloom Honey. Check it out. Wehrloom Honey, a beautiful business model that's with Got the B and C that uses honeybees to make all natural products. One more. What's happening, Master Blend Nation? I'm at Wehrloom Honey down here in the mountains with my man Big Arron. Arron, tell me what you do down here, baby.
We make meat.
Yes, the best meat where?
In North Carolina.
That's my man.
So if you want the best meat, got
In the meantime, in between time, make sure you take care of yourselves and each other. You know the motto, all gas, no brakes, 365. Give me the magic, bro. Yeah. Yep.